Here's something you don't see every day. We're taking a look at the new Hyundai i30 Fastback, and honestly, I wasn't expecting to be this impressed, but after spending time with this Korean coupe wannabe, I've got some serious thoughts to share. Let's talk about why this car exists. Hyundai looked at the BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe and Mercedes CLA, cars that cost way more money, and said, we can do that better for less. Bold move, Hyundai. But did they pull it off? First impressions matter, and this Fastback absolutely nails them. That sloping roofline isn't just for show. It drops the car's height by just a few centimeters compared to the regular i30, but the visual impact is massive. Those V-shaped LED daytime running lights cut through the air like a blade, while the redesigned front grille gives this thing an aggressive stance that says, I mean business. Now let's address the elephant in the room: performance. The 1.5-liter turbocharged engine with mild hybrid assistance delivers 157 horsepower. That's not going to set the world on fire. But here's the thing. This engine provides exactly the right amount of power for what this car is trying to be. 0 to 62 takes 8.6 seconds, which is perfectly adequate for everyday driving with enough punch for highway merging. Speaking of the interior, step inside and you're greeted by a 10.25-inch touchscreen that puts some luxury cars to shame. The system is fast, responsive, and packed with features including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Those sport seats aren't just for show either. They hold you in place during spirited driving while still being comfortable enough for daily use. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just a pretty face with no substance. Hyundai only sells the Fastback and N-line trim, which means you're getting the sportiest version they make outside of the full N models. We're talking 18-inch alloy wheels, sport suspension that sits 5 millimeters lower, and an interior that actually feels special. The real surprise comes when you hit the corners. That lowered suspension and stiffer setup transforms this car from a comfortable cruiser into something genuinely engaging. The steering feels connected, body roll is controlled, and you can actually have fun on a twisty road. It's not quite hot hatch territory, but it's miles better than your average family car. Practicality-wise, you're not making huge sacrifices. The boot is actually bigger than the regular i30 at 450 liters, and rear seat passengers have adequate headroom despite that swooping roofline. Yes, knee room is a bit tight for taller passengers, but this isn't meant to be a taxi. Here's the bottom line. The Hyundai i30 Fastback delivers style, substance, and value in a package that undercuts its German rivals by thousands. It's not perfect, but it's compelling in ways that matter. What do you think? Is the i30 Fastback the smart alternative to expensive European coupes? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, smash that like button if this review helped you out, and subscribe for more honest car reviews that cut through the marketing nonsense. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.